They have presence in each city of the Philippines, every corner of the streets, covering all directions, north, west, east, and south. Their influence also extends beyond the country's borders, with a notable presence in countries such as Japan, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, and the USA. They are known to be notorious and reputable at the same time.
So represent your proud, not the fool, not the red, but proud. Represent Pilipinas.
They are the biggest street organization in the country, with local authorities referring to them as the MS-13 of the Philippines in the early 2000s. In today's time, after 3 decades of dominating the country streets, True Brown Style 13 or TBS-13 now aims to shift the public's perception of the organization into a more positive one.
We are brown, TBS tayo, True Brown Style, no blood, no creep.
Habang ako mga kapatid. Yes sir.
Ang kilabot na True Brown Style.
Nakamalaking gang sa bansa, ang True Brown Style. May mahigit 10,000 miyembro ito.
True Brown Style, ang pinakamalaking gang sa Pilipinas.
True Brown Style 13 is the largest street family in the Philippines and is 10,000 members strong in Metro Manila only. TBS-13 was officially established in May 5, 1994, which coincides with Mexico's celebration of the same holiday, Cinco de Mayo.
OG Notorious, Project Tuhod, B2Hood.
El Soto ng 785 Hood, Central Manila Connection.
Yo, what's up? OG Fern, Hoodlong Pamilya, Fladway Hood. Jan Mendoza, Gatchalian Soldiers. O nga pala si Dice Loco, Veterano 4 ng Barrio Latino.
5 de Mayo ngayon dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City, Philippines. Kung saan, si-celebrate ngayon ng 30 years anniversary ng True Brown Style 13, ang pinakamalaking street familia dito sa Pilipinas. Samahan niyo ako, panoodin natin ang mga kaganapan.
True Brown Style 13 is currently celebrating 30 years Cinco de Mayo anniversary here in Cuneta Astrodome. Cuneta Astrodome is an indoor arena with a seating capacity of 12,000 persons and the entrance fee is free for all members.
Solid eh. Puno eh. Yung mga 3-port ng Cuneta Astrodome.
Unuji, celebrate natin ngayon ang 5 de Mayo, 30 years anniversary ng TBS. 30th anniversary ng True Brown Style. 5 de Mayo kung tawagin namin. Sobrang dami natin ngayon, solid. Libo-libo tayo ngayon, di mabilang. Traffic nga, naglalakad ka lang, traffic eh.
Countdown. Tayo silip na. Puno ang Cuneta. Happy anniversary, TBS 13. Mula Barrio Biet, Paranaque, Southside.